Happy New Year 2020 to everyone. I recreated my New Year's Eve 2019 look for a photo shoot, also premiering photos to my supporters.
Hey guys, I am doing a exclusive look to how I created my New Year's Eve look, and I'll have it on YouTube, so look out for that and make sure you click that link. And I'm also having a photo shoot.
Another snippet of my recreated look. You'll see the next clips. I had so much fun during New Year's Eve. I thought to recreate this look since I didn't get to post any pictures. I love this look so much. I wanted to do a photo shoot and do a tutorial for you guys. Get ready with me. Happy New Year, everyone. I am recreating my New Year's Eve look that I did December 31st of 2019. Today's date here is January 7th, 2020. And I'm just gonna dive right into this look. I am curling my hair outward versus bumping it in. I'm just flipping it and curling it. I have a small curling iron to go for my photo shoot, so something quick and fast. If you're wanting the step-by-step tutorial, please subscribe and leave comments. Fast forwarding through, just making sure that you guys see how we got ready. Okay, we're spraying that got to be glue and laying that scarf down on those edges. Gotta secure the edges, honey. Since I'm doing my photo shoot, I thought to go ahead and make it quick and tie this up. Usually I don't do it before my makeup, but hey, we got a shoot to do. I didn't bring my moisturizer, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray with Spritz 2 Fix Dewy Absolute New York and place in my foundation with the True Match L'Oreal Paris Super Blendable Makeup. It's SPF 17 sunscreen. It's a soft sable, oil free, and also it's an all day wear. I'm placing the foundation in areas that I want to cover up. A lot of times I don't always place foundation all over my face. I am in a rush and I'm trying to make this process go fast, but on a usual basis, I don't wear foundation all over my face. I just cover up in certain areas and then blend from there and just continuously blend. I love to have a natural skin look, like it's coming right from my skin and there's not really much makeup. Really a natural look is what I love to go for. Obviously, I love my LA Girl Pro Concealer, putting it under those eyes, making the eyes pop, you know, just placing right over where I put my foundation. This is in the color Fawn, so definitely check that one out. I love this brush. I love to place that in and blend, 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 honey. Blend, blend, blend. You know, I'm no makeup artist, but what works for me, you know, and I love to say that because I've had makeup artists do my makeup and, honey, it wasn't doing what it was doing when I was doing it, okay? You know, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and blend, 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 of course, under my eye. These are cosmetic wedges. They're just a triangle shape and I like to use them Of course, what works for me is just what works for me, you know. Once I meet more makeup artists, they might show me even more tricks, but these things help, and I'm just trying to recreate that same look. And if I can achieve that same look, then I feel like I'm doing something right. And I like to go for the look where it looks most natural. So I'm using my brush and I'm continuing to blending on my face, and it's definitely matching. If you have not checked out my previous video, I've done an eyebrow tutorial. I'm not going to show you the full thing because I already have a tutorial on that. If you want to see another one, I can, but I already have that, so check out previous. My eyes, I'm not going to show the step-by-step. If you want to see the step-by-step, go ahead and subscribe and leave some comments, and I'll make sure I do that for you guys. Here, I'm just gonna make sure that I bake. Definitely gonna bake in and show you guys how I like to, you know, take the steps of baking. The eyeliner that I use for my eyes, just in case anybody's wondering, is the soft liquid eyeliner. It defines very, very well. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend. I baked for a while and now I'm blending in. I'm using my highlighter that I always love to use from a hair store. And those same spots that I put foundation in, I'm gonna touch up with the highlighter. I love to get my cheekbone, go down my nose, my cupid's bow. I'm using the NK makeup liner in the brown shade and a pink lipstick. It's New York Pink RK by Kiss. Gloss Coconut Oil Lip Gloss by Broadway. Taking down that scarf. Yes, honey, I see the edges laying down. Flip that hair, girl. Flip it. Okay, bye-bye, guys. And there she goes. Yes, honey. I want to awaken you guys on this look that I recreated. I don't know if New Year's was better or this was better, but either way, I achieved that same look, put back on the same attire. We're photo shoot ready. And here I am gonna allow you guys to see full body of me achieving that look.
You got it, girl.
You got it. Let me know if you think I achieved it or not, but according to the photos that I'm gonna display to you guys next, it looks like I achieved it. It's a Barbie world. Glam, Egyptian vibes, New Year's Eve, 2019-2020. Happy New Year's. It's photo shoot time. Loading the photos for you guys. Just wanted to take a quick moment to allow you to know the more that you guys grow with me, the more I'll advance myself on YouTube.